So hello guys, this is our air conditioner and today I'm going to show you how you can operate this air conditioner if you do not have remote control. As you can see, I have the remote control also, but if it is not working and if you do not have this remote, so what you can do, let's see. So to operate this air conditioner, any air conditioner, you must have an Android phone. So how you can operate? So open the Play Store and search here MI remote, then download it, install it and open. Then it would be looks like. Then you have to click on add remote, then have many options and you have to choose AC. Then here, so the display will be like this. So you have to choose your brand whenever it is. So my brand is Ox. Now what we have to do, we have to press this one, point the remote AC and tap the button. Make sure AC respond. So let's see if my AC respond. Finally, as you can see, my air conditioner is open on the single tap. So it is asking. So now it is asking, does device respond? Yes, my device is respond. Now again we have to click on this to check if our air conditioner turning off or not. So our air conditioner is working here. So now let's click here to check if it will be off or not. So off. Then again, has the device turned off? Yes. So now finally, as you can see, click on paired, and now finally we have a proper remote control. So let's check if our air conditioner working. So as you can see, this is our AC remote and it is working nice. Let's decrease temperature, then speed, working. After that, mode, heat mode, fan mode, dry mode, I think, auto mode, cool mode. As you can see, finally our remote control in my hand, my mobile phone. Turn off, turn on. That's it guys. Thank you, bye bye.